Hey guys, does the idea of rotisserie chickens, briskets, juicy pork tenderloin, or leg of lamb make your mouth water? If so, you're not alone. There's nothing juicier and more flavorful than sinking your teeth into a slow-cooked rotisserie-style meal. Not to mention, it's just fun to watch your meal spin around and around in their own juices. Fact is, a rotisserie kit can open up a whole new side of the menu to explore. But before you try your hand at a rib roast or a bone-in ham, let's walk through how to load your rotisserie skewer the right way. Here we are with our Nexgrill Universal Rotisserie Kit. You can see it has a long rotisserie spit with 2 roasting forks. It's adjustable to fit grills up to 32 inches wide and has a motorized on-off switch. You might have seen rotisseries used for cooking large joints of meat, but today we're going to focus on one of the most popular rotisserie dishes, the whole rotisserie chicken. Let's jump in. Before loading that beautiful bird on your rotisserie spinner, the first thing to do is truss your chicken, which just means tying it so the legs and wings are snugly pressed against the body. Don't skip this step because trussing leads to even browning with really flavorful crispy skin. With your chicken properly trussed, pull 2 roasting forks off the rotisserie spit and grab the main spit rod. Carefully slide the spit rod through the head end of your chicken until the bird is positioned at the center of the skewer. Then, slide one of the roasting forks over the skewer and deep into the meat of the bird and tighten its thumb screw to secure the fork. Once all of your meat is on the skewer, slide the other fork into place deep into the meat and secure it with the screw. Next, place one end of the rotisserie skewer into the motorized spinner and rest the other end on this notch on the right side of your grill. Before you fire up the grill, plug in the rotisserie motor and turn it on. Check to see that your meat is centered on the grill and watch it spin a few times to make sure it's well balanced. If you notice one side feels heavier than the other, pull off the forks and adjust the chicken as best you can until it feels balanced on the skewer. Now we're ready to fire up some flavor. Turn on the rotisserie motor, ignite your grill, and set the heat to about 300 to 350. Cook until the chicken is nice and brown, about 20 minutes per pound, and the internal temperature reads 170 degrees Fahrenheit. There you have it. Now that you know how to load up your rotisserie skewer with a delicious, juicy rotisserie chicken, you can try your hand at briskets, roasts, chucks, tenderloins, and so much more. You can even throw a pineapple on there. And, for bonus points, try placing a drip pan with root veggies beneath your meats. As your meats spin, the veggies below can be roasted from the fats that drip down. Jeez, now I'm hungry. For more grill tips, recipes, or to pick up a Universal Rotisserie Kit of your own, visit nexgrill.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.